First, let me give you a geographical background on the location of PEI. PEI is an island, meaning it is somewhat isolated from the rest of the Maritimes or the Atlantic Canada. It is, though, connected to the mainland Maritimes through a bridge called the Confederation Bridge. Now, the island, much the same as any other province in the Atlantic, or much the same as New Brunswick or Nova Scotia, PEI does not have a train system. Therefore, if you want to leave and enter PEI, you have to certainly have a car. And another thing is that to enter and leave PEI, there is the Confederation Bridge toll or a payment that you have to pay, which is $50. And this amount can be hefty. You have to remember, you also have to budget for the fuel. And this essentially is the situation when it comes to transportation. The transportation within PEI as well is non-existent. You have to have a car in PEI if you want to be around to go around and about the island. The main capital, which is Charlottetown, is certainly beautiful. It is calm and peaceful, and it absolutely is quiet. If New Brunswick is a quiet province, PEI is even more quieter, if there's such a word. Charlottetown, which is the capital, is lively during the summer season. And after the summer season, it can get pretty lonely. There's not much happening in Charlottetown. I go to PEI every 3 to 4 weeks. In terms of schools, there are a variety of schools or campuses within the island, from affordable to crazy expensive. Now, Holland College is one of the most popular schools within the island. They have got 5 campuses in and around and across PEI. They do have sufficient options for courses such as applied science, technology, accounting, business administration, management, and computer information systems. And there are many other programs that can lead you to a successful career within Holland College. Another option that you can consider within PEI is the University of PEI. Now, I've been to the University of PEI and the Holland College campuses as well, and I have to say that the University of PEI campus is certainly pretty. It is certainly one of the prettiest campuses within the island, although it can be expensive, but they do have a variety of programs as well that you can choose from. Now, when it comes to budget-friendly school, certainly Holland College is definitely right on top in your options. One of the most sensible considerations you must have in mind when you choose a province is the economic growth of a certain province, or the location of the school where you will study at, because potentially you will stay in that province for quite a long time and you want opportunities in such a place. And PEI is a growing province. It is economically developing. PEI recorded the fastest economic growth rate of any province in 2021. This province is still growing up to date. And aside from the growth of this province economically, PEI has got a variety of PR pathways for international students as well. Needless to say, the province is friendly to international students as well, to make them work, study, and stay in the province. One of the struggles of PEI government currently is the lack of workforce, or the shortage of labor force. There are more people retiring than new people entering the workforce, and this therefore is a good news really for international students, because then you do have more opportunities when it comes to job market. And this kind of labor shortage or workforce shortage on the island range from entry level to highly professional or highly skilled level in the job industry. It ranges from low wage to high wage kind of jobs, and therefore if you are an aspiring student and you wonder whether there are opportunities on the island, there are certainly opportunities in the island, and the island need people. The island need workforce and labor to work there, to stay there, to pay taxes there, and buy houses there to keep the economy growing. And so if you are an aspiring international student and PEI is on your radar, but you're not quite sure yet whether or not it truly is best suited for you, connect with me, info@questcanadaca.com, or you can visit my website, and there are various free downloadables there, and hopefully those free information can help you decide whether or not you should move to PEI. When it comes to being an international student, there are two absolutely important factors that you have to consider before deciding on which province to settle at. The first one is that the province must be absolutely friendly with international students in terms of various PR pathways. And second, there must be opportunities for you in that province. And PEI tick both these boxes. PEI has got a program called the Study and Stay PEI program, wherein this program helps students transition from being students to working and living in PEI permanently. And if you want to know more about this program, visit their website, studypei.ca.